Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rusty. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May you, dear Mama. Sorry, Pinky. Which you want?
એને તો ખવડાવો કોઈ. I took that.
Drashtis for Drashtis, long life and happy life.
તારી વર્ષગાંઠ તો મોટો ભાઈ તેને નાનો આપે છે.
He's the brother जिसके बारे में मैंने बोला था चाय जिसके विंडो पे मैं बैठ के पीऊंगी. So his is his house. I'm just waiting, and his house is being created by my mama. So he's my Mamu Jan. We all call him Mamu Jan. As a child, I've taken all my trips with him. Nainital and Nainital हम जब जा रहे थे, हम लोग नैनीताल पहुंच गए थे and it started raining there. तो हम सब अटक गए थे 3 दिन के लिए. And the 4th day we were like, अरे अभी तो यहाँ से जाना ही पड़ेगा. We packed our bags, हम लोग निकले and the weather got okay. Yes. And then we all went back and we stayed and we got these candles with those flowers and everything. I had some my childhood पूरा इनके वहाँ पे because he has 2 sons who are again my cousins Harshil and Darshan. So me, my brother Harshil, Darshan, we used to stay at his house and हम उनका पूरा society बड़ा सा. So we used to play chor police. So morning to evening we used to play chor police and then my nanny used to make roti, gobi ka sabzi and amras. And every day my mommy had to make more atta because we used to have competition. तूने 9 रोटी खाया, मैं 10 खा के दिखाऊंगी. You know, so every day we used to make extra rotis. But we had some awesome. We've traveled a lot.
Yes.
Lot of traveling I've done with my mama.
I always remember with traveling with her. Even now I am missing her because she is very busy now.
And इनके 2 बच्चे जिनको मैंने बहुत harass किया. And one of my cousin, his son, he was not feeling well. We were all in Delhi and I was a child. I don't know this. They've just told me when I have apparently done it. So they were like, my cousin was apparently not feeling well and I was like, तुझे ठीक नहीं है? So I took Vicks and I put it all over his body and I put it in Kambal and I'm like, sleep now. So he was waiting when the elders will come and I will get out of her panga, you know. Harshil ne.
See, as you may be knowing, I do not have a daughter. I always used to feel that I don't have a daughter. But since the time she has started being with us on the weekends and even the weekdays, I don't feel that I don't have a daughter. So she is as good as my daughter. She behaves like a daughter, and I give her all the leeway which I would give to a daughter.
तो बताइए कि मतलब इतना अच्छा लग रहा है पूरी फैमिली के साथ ये सेलिब्रेशन लेके. आपको ऐसा फील जब आप बिजी हुआ करती थी, शो किया करती थी, तो उस समय आप मिस करती थी ये सारे मोमेंट्स को अब आज तो?
Of course. In fact, जब weekends को मैं यहाँ पे नहीं आती हूँ तो my masa is like, why is she not here? Why isn't she here? You know. So of course I miss those days, but I'm back, dude. I love myself. For the past 1 month, I've been loving myself. I'm doing everything. कोई मुझे रोकता भी नहीं है. हाँ बेटी enjoy करती है, करने दे. पर ये exactly 1 महीने के लिए चलने वाले because my mom is very hyper. So even before Gee started, कुछ काम कर, time waste मत कर. And when I got Gee, she was like, you'll be able to work now. After I sign करने के पहले सोच लेना, हर रोज काम करना पड़ेगा. I was like, I know, mom. So I think I'm enjoying the moment and soon I shall be back with something.
आप कैसे स्पेशल ट्रीट करने वाली हैं अपनी बेटी को बर्थडे के दिन और टाइम पर कैसे?
आप ही एक तो बड़ा सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो और जाएंगे बाहर खाने खाए जाएंगे सब लोग फैमिली के साथ. हाँ. और मैं नहीं देगी तो मांग भी लेंगे. हमारे घर में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बोल देंगे
इतना पैसा में इतना ही मिलेगा. केक 3 खाओ.
हम लोग बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग, हम लोग पार्टी के लिए कहीं पे भी आ जाएंगे.
Can you introduce your family to us?
I can say चंद्रमुखी हो या पारो की फर्क पैंदा है यार. मेरे लिए दोनों समान है. मेरी माँ मेरी दो माँ.
अरे एक वहाँ पे वो
ओ सॉरी 3 माँ ऑफेंड हो. I have 3
और
Masis.
मासी है,
One Masi is not here.
so मासी is more than मम्मी.
Mummy, yeah. This,
मेरे से ज्यादा वो मासियों के पास ही
yes,
रहती है.
for this Masi, especially the other Masi, I think आज मैं जितना भी cooking करती हूँ is because of my that Masi. Because every time I used to go to her house, she be like, चल ये साफ कर, चल वो साफ कर, पुदीना साफ कर, कोतमीर साफ कर, and I used to be like, क्या साफ करवाती रहती है पूरे दिन में? And
कुकिंग भी करती हैं
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा.
oh, I made pasta day with
Yes,
you
yes, it
yesterday.
is there. They want to taste it.
My Masa, if he approves of be it driving or cooking, that means you're really good at it. Because my Masa is the strict sorts, you know. So when he approves of something, it's
excellent at driving
Pasta.
as well as good at
Cooking.
cooking. We need to definitely
oh, he
taste
also
your
he
cooking.
also he
Yes,
also tasted
yes,
my
we can-
cooking that.
Yeah.
we need to
Good,
taste
very
your
good cooking.
And we need you to make something for us someday.
Yeah, promise.
आपने मॉम के बारे में तो हम सब जानते ही हैं, बट फिर भी कुछ तो बोलिए अपने मम्मी के बारे में.
लगता है झगड़ा हुआ है.
You know, na, me and my mom have cold wars and all. You know, for 2 days if I stay at Masi's house, on 30 she gets angry. She's like, Sucha,
Where are you?
Where are you? No, if I call na, otherwise if I call, हाँ बेटा, second, हाँ क्या है? I was like, मम्मी, अरे जल्दी बोल, मेरे को मैं बिजी हूँ अभी. तो मैं समझ गई अभी घर जाने का टाइम आ गया है. मम्मी भड़क गई. So I told my, so if a plan is made, I was like, guys, I'm going home. Hurry, why? I was like, no, my mom is angry. Oh, okay, come back in 2 days. I was like, okay.
So how often do you stay at your Masi's place?
You should ask how often do I stay at my own house.
Okay.
અને એના કરતા જશીલ,
They can start now.
એનો ભાઈ છે એ કે આજે બે ટીપા વરસાદ ના પડ્યા, હવે ચીંકી નહીં આવે.
I always have explanations. I was like, oh mom, there's too much traffic. There is traffic. Technically, there's always traffic, but you know, it's not nice and safe for women to travel at night. So I avoid, you know. Especially on Saturday and Sundays.
સિક્રેટ ઓપન કર રહે હો.
So yeah, I'm here.
આજે બે ટીપા વરસાદ ના પડ્યા છે ને, હવે આજે દ્રષ્ટિ નહીં આવે ઘરે, આજે પાર્લર રહી જશે.
So I live here most of them.
Drops of rain, you won't go back to your.
Oh, I just need a bahana.
The way they want to say, because she stays here very often, no?
You know, he danced on Kajrare and he was Aishwarya Rai, okay? And we were Amitabh Bachchan and
Amitabh
my
and
bhabhi
Abhishek.
was Abhishek Bachchan. We were like doing all that to him.
I said put a burqa.
It was awesome. Again, I should tell you that they've ruined my childhood. They used to harass me so much. They used to go. I remember this once. They were going out, and I was like, "Can I come?" No, and this is a patent thing. If I ask him, na, "Arey, how did you do this?" He said, "I don't want to waste my time." So if I tell him, "ये कैसे किया?" I don't want to waste my time in telling you. And I was like, "What?" So what they used to do is, जब हम लोग यही घर में थे, and we had a huge party. So all the guests were sitting here, and all the boys were inside. You know how these kids play dark room and all. So I was banging on the door and darwaza kholo and all. So they're like, "Arey, come." So they all took me and they put off the light. They locked the door from outside and they all ran away. So that's the kind of things they do. And I used to always wish that he was free when I was like in my 8th standard. Remember? And I was like, wow, अभी मैं college में आऊँगी and Padmaja will be free so I can hang with him. That time, you know, ऐसे होता है ना, भाई के साथ hang out is cooler, you know, why friends and you know why boys and all. So I was like, wow, he'll go out.
जाए तो घर से जाने मिलता है.
नहीं, वो तो वैसे भी ये लोग permission लाके देते मुझे. In either case, so that's okay. So, but it was always like, oh, it'd be so cool, you know, like nobody tried to harass me and all. So I thought, oh, when I get done with my 10th, I'll be like hanging out with him, partying with him. And the day I got done with my college, with my school in a week, I was in town somewhere and I was at Lower Parel station. Marine Line station. And मैं घर जा रही थी और ये कहाँ तो जा रहे थे. And we met. I was like excited about the fact that अभी मैं college आ गई, so I can hang with him, I'll be partying with him, I'll be able to get out. And because my first clubbing was with him. And my first Goa trip was with him. Remember? Oh, it was awesome. He and his wife and me. And another friend of mine. So I was like, wow and all. And I got the saddest news of my life that he got a job. So I was like, yeah, because I was like, who's gonna hang with me now? And he looked, I still remember he was wearing a blue shirt and this very cool tie with beige pants. And I was like, he's looking so nice, you know. And then I'm like, what's the point? He's going to be busy. Who's going to hang with me? Even when he was getting married, like, you know, 1 week before he got married, I was like, we'll go for a nice drive before you get married, you know, because then I'll have to share you with your wife, remember? We'd gone to Carter Roads and the cop was like, no, walking here, so we walked out from there.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Drashti.
Thank you.
This is from Tele Tadka for you. Some sweet
So
chocolate.
some wait, but I will. Don't worry. I will eat all of it.
We have some messages from the fans for you. There is this Sohila who has sent a sketch. She has made a sketch, and I've taken a printout, so I don't have the original sketch.
Does look like me. She does look like me. Thank you, Sohila. Thank you so much.
And there are a few messages which, if you could just read a few of them, just.
Happy birthday, Didi. May God give you all you deserve and keep, and happy always. All the best for whatever you do in future. Love you loads. Hoping to see you soon on the screen. Trust me, so am I. Waiting to watch myself on screen. Drashti, many happy returns of the day. We all fans love you and your acting. May God bless you. Give you all the happiness. May all your dreams come true. Love you
If
lots.
you can also take the name of the person. That
Namita and Kalika Kali. Angel Flavia. Wish you a very happy birthday, Didi. Long life and happier life ever. God bless you always. Giving you all that you want in your life, and may you get much more success in your life. Love you lots. Enjoy your day. Missing you. Both of you have won many hearts and still ruling, will always rule our hearts as Maneet. Please come back. Thank you so much, guys. Honestly, I would like to say something on this. I don't know if that is happening. I really don't know. So let's see what happens.
And a message for your fans on your birthday, because they've been waiting a long time and they've been missing you for the past one whole month.
Guys, thank you so much. I miss you guys too. I miss all the buzz that happens on my set, doing all the segments and meeting all of you and, you know, cracking jokes on the camera. So I'm missing every bit of it, and trust me, I'll be back really soon. And thanks for all your wishes.
How was your Dubai trip and what have you done? How much shopping did you do for your birthday?
I don't shop.
Wish you a very happy birthday, and may you have many more happy birthdays with us. Thank you.
Welcome.